So we're here at Crissy Fields, and we've parked the car right by an amazing picnic table there, and we are having a picnic, and we've got an absolute tremendous view there of the Golden Gate Bridge. So it's an absolute beautiful place here. You've got toilets and different things there. I'm going to go now and just have a look at the beach. You can see all the main road there going onto the 101. So I'm going to take a walk along here now, and I think at the end of here we've got the beach. I'm going to have a quick look at that. Look at all the beautiful trees we've got here, and as I say, that's where we're picnicking. Picnic tables there as well, which we have other years actually had to picnic there because our picnic table was taken up. But like I say, I'm going to walk to the end here, and I'm going to have a look how spectacular the beach is going to look today. I should imagine it's going to be quite busy with it being this Labour Day weekend Monday. So here we go, we're entering the beach area here. It does look really nice. Let's have a look what's going on. So when you're on the beach here, there's an exceptional view, really nice view of the Golden Gate Bridge. So it's absolutely perfect here. Let's just check out all the scenery and all the view. You've got people paddling in this bit of water in the middle, and you've got people with tents and everything up there. Just going have a look here. I'm actually standing on the beach here now, having a look what's going on. I suppose this afternoon when it gets busier, it will be absolutely packed down here. And let's have a look at the Golden Gate Bridge and zoom in on that for you again. You can see Fort Point. You can look all the way across the bridge there to the other end.
No. I want to. I won't stop. Let her run around because I don't want her to take the ball.
So we've got them dogs, they've just been let off the leads and they're wandering about and happy now and looking what they can go and do. And then if I turn around and look this way, we've got Alcatraz. So can you beat that for a view? Don't think you can. It's fantastic. We've got the absolute amazing car park here at Crissy Fields. So let's head back to the car and just check that out. So that was well worth doing. I've enjoyed my walk there to the beach, and we are coming back now to the car. And there's the car. So the picnic's all over. I've packed everything up, put it back in the car now. And in a minute we're going to have another probably 10 minutes here. And then we'll head on to the next places we want to go. Cars are starting park now at the side of us, so it's probably a good job we came to this beautiful picnic table when we actually did, because I would say probably in another 10 or 15 minutes it's going to be hard to get a table or a place here.